And I hold my breath just until the train stops. Then I count to 10. Maybe I'll see raindrops as I'm waiting for a sign. It takes me out and we talk till midnight. Then he holds my hand. Till then just sit tight, just waiting for a sign. Lean on to me, don't ever look back again, no never. 'Cause I have waited forever. This is more than a sign, I am here in your mind. Lean on to me, don't ever look back again, no never. 'Cause I have waited forever. This is more than a sign, I am here in your mind.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You give me the peanut butter to my jelly. You give me the butterflies I feel in my belly. You give me the captain and I can be a first mate. You give me the chills that I feel on our first date. You give me the hero and I can be a sidekick. You give me the tear that I cry if we ever split. You give me the rain from the cloud when it's storming. Or you give me the sun when it shines in the morning. Don't know if I could ever be without you, 'cause boy you complete me. And in time I know that we'll both see that we're all we need. 'Cause you're the apple to my pie, you're the straw to my berry, you're the smoke to my high, and you're the one I wanna marry. 'Cause you're the one for me, and I'm the one for you, for you. You take the both of us, and we're the perfect two. Yeah, we're the perfect two. We're the perfect two. Baby, me and you, we're the perfect two. You give me the prince and I can be a princess. You give me the sweet tooth, I can be the dentist. You give me the shoes and I can be the laces. You give me the heart that I spill on the pages. You give me the vodka and I can be the chaser. You give me the pencil and I can be the paper. You can be as cold as the winter weather, but I don't care as long as we're together. Don't know if I could ever be without you, 'cause boy you complete me. And in time I know that we'll both see that we're all we need. 'Cause you're the apple to my pie, you're the straw to my berry, you're the smoke to my high, and you're the one I wanna marry. 'Cause you're the one for me, and I'm the one for you, for you. You take the both of us, and we're the perfect two. Yeah, we're the perfect two. We're the perfect two. Baby, me and you, we're the perfect two. Yeah. You know that I'll never doubt you, and you know You give me the peanut
Yung
butter
love,
to my jelly.
para sa akin yung love,
The butterflies I feel
yun yung nagsishow ka ng affection, saka yung care mo doon sa taong yun. Para sa akin, yung love yung dahilan yung taong yun. Kasi, yung minamahal mo. Kasi, siya yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng meaning kung ano ba yung love. Para sa akin, ang nagbigay talaga ng meaning sa akin ng love, si Iya. Kasi, yung buong pagkatao niya, yung buong siya, yun yung minahal ko, na talagang nagpatunay sa akin na doon ko naintindihan talaga yung maturity ng love. Tunay nga na sa buhay ng tao, darating at darating na may matatagpuan ka na lagay na yung sarili mo na ito na yung tamang taong para sa akin. Yung makokontento na ako na talagang mamahalin mo habang buhay. Yung talagang ramdam mo na siya na. And for me, si Iya, siya na yun eh. Siya na yung pag-ibig na talagang hinintay ko, na talagang ibinubuhos ko lahat, na kontento ako, na talagang kahit anong mangyari, I will stay talaga, and I will never give up. As long as I know na totoo ko sa sarili ko, totoo ko sa pagmamahal ko sa kanya, na talagang siya lang para sa akin. Well, yun ang para sa akin ng love.
I can be the paper. You can be as cold as the winter weather, but I don't care as long as we're together. Don't know if I could ever be without you.
So, yung first anniversary namin, well, from the start, I admit it na there is a struggle in my side.
You're the strong
Pero, alam ko sa sarili ko na napagdaanan ko yun. Ika nga, sa dami ng pagsubok na nadaan sa tao, doon siya nasusubukan na there is the turning point na kung saan malalaman mo sa sarili mo na I should be a better person. Alam mo yun na ang lagi ko sinasabi nga, sa isang race, hindi naman mahalaga kung nadapa ka dun sa race na yun eh. Ang mahalaga kung paano ka tumayo at kung paano mo tinapos yung race na yun. Ang mahalaga yung matapos mo lahat, 'di ba? So yung sa akin, nag-struggle ako sa side ko, pero napatunayan ko sa sarili ko na talagang siya lang ang mahal ko. Tapos na-unleash yung talagang nasa loob ko. Alam mo yun, masarap ng pakiramdam na wala kang iniisip na iba, na talagang binubuhos mo lahat. Marami talagang mga ups and downs. Part naman yun eh. Kahit yung mga problems, mga pagtatalo, kahit naman sa mga mag-asawa meron doon. Nangangahulugan lang na talagang malaman nyo yung part nyo kung paano kayo magko-communicate, magbibigayan, mag-unawaan, habang nasa relationship pa kayo as girlfriend, boyfriend. Nalalaman nyo na kung paano yung pagbibigayan ba. Kasi doon pa lang na nakakapag-adjust na kayo. So, as time goes by, mas nagiging strong kayo, mas nagiging malawak yung inyong pag-unawa sa isa't isa, at mas nakikilala nyo yung isa't isa. Yun yung kagandahan ng sa amin siguro ganun. Kasi talagang naibibigay namin sa isa't isa yung talagang love namin, na kahit na may pagtatalo, nauunawaan naman namin at saka nakikilala namin talaga ang isa't isa. Na siya yun, ito ako. At bilang pagtanggap sa isa't isa, nakatagal kami ng isang taon. And hopefully, na by next year, magkita na kami at magkasama kami. And that is our first, ngayon yung first anniversary namin. So, I'm so happy. And by that time na magkita kami, hindi ko sasayang yung pagkakataon na talagang maiparamdam ko sa kanya kung gaano ko siya kamahal. Dahil sobrang mahal na mahal ko siya.